Here are some interesting facts about prairie dogs. Despite their name, they are not a species of dog. In fact, prairie dogs are part of the rodent family. They can be found living across North America, Canada, and Mexico. They live in a wide range of areas, from very cold to extremely hot. There are 5 different species of prairie dogs. All species are very similar in appearance and behavior. They grow to between 12 and 17 inches in length, and they weigh between 2 and 4 pounds. The body of a prairie dog is covered in brownish-grey fur. They have very small round ears and a short tail. Prairie dogs are very social rodents that live in huge underground burrows called towns. These towns can be home to tens of thousands of prairie dogs, and their tunnels can travel for miles in every direction. Each town contains many subgroups called wards, and wards are also split into family groups called coteries. Prairie dogs are very territorial and will guard their individual territories against other prairie dogs. Each family group normally consists of 1 male and 1 female plus their young. Prairie dogs are very affectionate towards each other, and they will spend a lot of time grooming each other. Also, they will often greet each other by pressing their mouths together, like a type of kiss. Each of their amazing underground homes have many different rooms for different uses. They have a sleeping room, a nursery room, a storage room, and even a toilet. They also have listening posts near each exit, so they can safely listen and keep an eye out for approaching predators outside. When they are outside of their burrows searching for food, they must continually keep a lookout for predators. If a prairie dog notices a predator, they will let out a loud warning bark to others in the group, giving them chance to disappear into their burrows. Scientists have discovered that prairie dogs have many different types of communication calls, and they will produce a different type of noise for each individual species of prey. Prairie dogs are herbivores and eat roots, seeds, grass, and plants. During the winter, prairie dogs spend most of their time in their burrows to keep warm, and some species hibernate throughout the winter for up to 6 months. Females give birth to between 3 and 8 pups after a pregnancy of around 30 days. The females go to the nursing burrow when they are ready to give birth. The young pups are born hairless with their eyes closed. They do not leave the burrow until they reach around 6 weeks old. It is estimated that just over 100 years ago, there were approximately 5 billion prairie dogs living throughout North America. Unfortunately, their population has dropped significantly by around 98%. This drop is mostly because the farmers see the animal as a pest which destroy their crops. So unfortunately, farmers do everything they can to get rid of prairie dogs. The average lifespan of a prairie dog in the wild is between 3 and 5 years. In captivity, they can live to between 8 and 12 years. Thank you very much for listening. For more videos about wildlife, please subscribe.